decided to update the bathtub because the old one that we had been here for probably 20 years, was fiberglass and was starting to show staining and signs of wear, and it was just time to replace it.
The reason for the update is I just bought this in September, and I felt like the bathroom was done half-assed, so I didn't feel comfortable, and there was a lot of issues going on.
Well, we needed something more modern, and the bathtub that we had wasn't working out. So we made the appointment and got the appraisal.
We found Luxury Bath through the home show up in Monmouth County, and we spoke with your representative there, and she seemed knowledgeable of the product, and it was worth a shot.
I took a friend and I went to the home show out in Bensalem, and I went to all the other ones, and I found that Luxury Bath had a nice product.
I learned it from when we went to the mall, and we made an appointment. We looked at what they had down there, and it looked pretty good. So we made an appointment to get the estimate done.
I would strongly recommend Luxury Bath for this type of work to anyone, because the salesperson was very knowledgeable and very cordial, seemed very trustworthy, and the technicians that provided the work to get it done were also knowledgeable, and the quality of the product is just outstanding.
Yes, I would recommend them. They're very knowledgeable, and they had a lot of samples to give you a lot of choices, and they never pressured you.
Yes, I would. I would recommend it to my family if they said they needed some kind of renovation or modernization of their bathroom. I would recommend them, even to our friends.
To learn more, go to luxurybathnjpa.com or call 1-800-351-4520 today.